Alright guys, we're packing again. Like, I know that we just left, but we have to pack again. So today is going to be the second part of packing day. But yeah, just note, we're going to be going up north. So most likely that way. And it'll take us probably about like 2 hours to get to the place. A little bit devastating, but I need to open the bag and do stuff. I got the outfit. But yeah, we need like at least like this because once it gets into the evening, it's gonna kind of like cool down. So yeah, I got the outfits though. So we're gonna put this one inside of here. Now we're gonna put these inside of here, which I don't think they're gonna probably fit. Wait, no, they will. I find a way. Oh god, it's gonna take forever. I don't really care about the folding anymore. As long as you don't, as long as you get inside there, I'm fine with whatever happens. Oh, dog hair just went, my cat hair went everywhere. Alright, let's see. Now you gotta come inside if you're low. No. Yes, I just put the phone inside there. Oh yeah, I need underwear and sock. What am I doing? Let's see. Oh, you got that? This is 1, 2, and 3 pairs of underwear. Get inside there. Yeah. Now what we need is 3 pair of socks. Lol. But also there are some chores I need to do, so y'all can come along for that, I guess, if y'all want. Oh god, I just dropped the sock. Alright, let's see. I'm literally just recording my life, basically. We leave tomorrow morning. I have no clue when or, that, but you gotta do. Alright, so I just got my bag. Wait, no, I still need to pack toothpaste, my toothbrush, and stuff like that. Alright, so let's go. Ooh, that was bright for the camera. Alright, got that. Go downstairs. Yes, I got all that. Oh, God, I missed the toothbrush. How could that be? Alright, so I got that. Go over there. Right there. Let's see, what else do I need? Oh, yeah, to do the chores. So we're basically done packing, but yeah, that works.